Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sonic. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about a best RTC meme coin. This can be said as the Raccoon, one of the best coin that can give you a next level potential of profit. Don't skip any part of this meme coin if you are new on my YouTube channel, Sonic. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Each and every link will be provided in description, just so you need to explore, and then you can find site details like get ready to unleash the wild side of Raccoon. This is the meme coin that is going to talking about digital world by this doll. Get ready to make your profit, claim the reward, and get your life changing opportunity. Here you can check out when you are going to buy or sell. There will be applied 0% tax. And if you want to know about the liquidity pool that is going to burn and 1 billion total token supply. So RTC Raccoon is one of the best epic journey for the people who need some unique strategies to make profit. Join the Raccoon journey, where you are going to make your future with the fascinating lifestyle. And what you need, what your desire will be completed after joining this ecosystem is also going to be next. Fairness, transparent and secure ecosystem feeds a huge profit of potential. The team is going to make a next level mission with exciting airdrops and incentives too. So what you are waiting? Join it right now. This is the platform that is going to change your life. With the passive income, you can also invite your friends on it. There is roadmap. What team has been done, what they are trying to do. Each and everything has been mentioned in phase-wise. Ignite the adventure, loyalty website, and social media links. All these things are going to update due to you. And they are also finalizing tokenomics and smart contract, where you can check loyal community designed lift off and RCC on the moonshot. On Meteor Extended, this has been listed. There is chapter 1. Means they are going to start beer triage token. There is also whale alert. Next is about to moon loot and NFT. Hurdle Express 2 means something new concept with innovative and having a lot of profit. You can make money while joining this ecosystem that is basically a Raccoon. If you want to know where you have to buy, then you have to come on the site of Radium. You have to click on the understand, confirm it, and now you can check out that after joining the ecosystem, and your wallet address Phantom can be used because you are going to use Solana currency here. And then you can also check out in one Solana how much Raccoon token is going to be purchased that you can hold into your wallet. Here you can check out that how much time and what are the recently price. After the computing these prices, you will also get the number of tokens successfully on it. And you have to click on the swap. Simply, this is the method that you have to follow. Step 1, you have to connect the wallet. Then number 2, you have to select the currency. Third number port, you have to input number of your currency you want to invest to hold this token. Click on the next swap option. Your account will be done in this way. Next is about what are the basic information. So I think this is the good and this is the best option for you to come there to check out the details of what is going on in their ecosystem. Second is to come on their Twitter that is going to providing a complete details, means the Raccoon. This is one of the best moves with big reward and claim every offering that you need to require. And I don't think so you have to miss out because there is a lot of giveaway and a lot of option for you to change your dream party into rich lifestyle. And here is the latest price with the market cap. What are the latest details on it can be checked out each and everything, so you don't skip and get ready for the next details. So my friends, the next you can also check out about your community. Means you have to follow them on the social media link. Their team is available to providing a complete notification details, and your question answer will be solved here. Just you need to come open the Telegram and join their ecosystem because There you will get the information by which you can make right decision to doing investment. If you need to ask something from us, you can drop comment in comment box. Their team will respond to you as soon as possible.